Hello everybody, today we'll do this yoga position, how to stretch our legs for that. Stay with me and I will show you how to do that. So let's start. First what you're starting to do, we slowly take our legs on open hip and close. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that we will try take back leg on our leg and help our hands and pushing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, take back leg, and what we will do, we will try take our elbow, our leg, and working with back leg. So we slowly stretch and back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fix it. So after that, I will try taking my hand and take down and up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the legs together, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope you to like and subscribe. It takes likes and going watching my another video. So bye bye.